Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to use voucher or coupon on Shein App. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Shein App. Make sure you are logged into it. Now choose the item you like to buy and simply add on cart. And click on Add to Cart after selecting your size. And you can go to cart now. Now select the items you would like to buy. Now simply click on checkout. Now over here in payment method, we can see this option called apply voucher. Simply tap on this. Now we can add our voucher number or the coupon number here. And finally click on apply. And if you actually have coupon or voucher, this will be applied and your payment method will be continued. Now simply click on continue payment method on the bottom right corner. After which the order confirmation will be done and the order will be completed. So this is all we can do to apply or use coupon or voucher in Shein App. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.